Hi, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. We've made a lot of spice and seasoning blends on our channel over the years, but one we haven't made is Cajun seasoning. Now, if you love that iconic yellow canister of Slap Ya Mama, then you know it's the king of Cajun seasoning. But did you know that you can make a huge batch of it right in your own kitchen? Well, today we're making a DIY Slap Ya Mama copycat that hits all of those bold, spicy notes. It's fast, it's easy, and once you see how simple these ingredients are, you'll never buy the pre-made stuff again. So grab your apron and let's get mixing. Okay, we just need a small bowl, and it's really easy. We're doing basically a tablespoon or two of everything. I need 2 tablespoons of salt. And you can use less salt if you're watching your sodium. Then I have 2 tablespoons of paprika. Now I'm just using regular paprika, not smoked or sweet. Need 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of black pepper. Now you can use white pepper if you want. The original has black pepper, although there are some varieties of it that use white pepper. So totally up to you. I wouldn't go out and buy white pepper specifically to make it. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. This is your heat here. I need 1 tablespoon of dried oregano and 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. And that's it, unless you want to kick up the heat just a little more, and if you do, you can add a teaspoon of crushed red peppers. Then we just want to mix it all together. Now the original in the yellow container is sort of a medium coarse grind. This is much coarser than that. I don't have a problem using it like this, but if you want, you can always use a spice grinder and take it down to the level that you want. To me, this is fine. I don't mind if those herbs are a little bit larger. Just be sure and stir it up good before you use it so that you're not having all your herbs settle to the bottom. Now we're just going to use our funnel and put it in a jar. Now you can seal it up airtight. I'm just reusing a jar that I had before. I save all my jars like this just for things like this that we mix up. I will label it with, I'm not crazy about the Slap Your Mama name, so I may call it Hug Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Now you can use it for chicken, for seafood, for vegetables, for French fries. I mean, it's really just about anything if you want a little spice and a little heat with it. You're going to use 1 to 2 teaspoons per pound for meat or vegetables, and just adjust it to your taste. If you don't want that much heat and that much spice, take it down a little bit. You can adjust the cayenne or omit the pepper, both just to your taste. Try it first the regular way without the addition of the red pepper flakes and see what you want to do as far as kicking it up another notch. And for the lower sodium option, I wouldn't leave out the salt entirely, but just take it down to 1 tablespoon instead of 2. And there you have it, our Hug Ya Mama, Slap Your Mama copycat.